everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please go ahead and subscribe. I'd love it if you do so. Every single time that I do this hairstyle, almost everyone asks me how I got it, how I did it, how I achieved it, blah blah blah. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this. I'm going to show you step by step how you can achieve the same way. It's not as sleek as I want it to be because I really couldn't see what I was doing. I'm using my phone to record and everything. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Alright, so first you need a spray bottle, some leave-in conditioner, any gel of your choice. So for this, I'm using the Styler gel in crystal and the Got to Be Glued styling gel. Some hair bands. I suggest using the durable ones. If not, the regular ones are fine. These ones. Some hair clips or bobby pins if you don't have hair clips. And I think these are called gorilla clips, I don't know. Your Tangle teaser, which is going to get your hair really flat. An Afro pick, a rat tail comb, and finally your hard bristle brush. Okay, so I begin by basically spraying water into my hair just to get it damp. I really don't like working on soaking wet hair, not working on it, but basically having water dripping all over. And I definitely don't want to be working on dry hair. Then I'm going to part my hair in the back and put away the section I'm not working on, so it doesn't get in the way. Then I'm taking my leave-in conditioner and applying it to the section to make it a bit more manageable. This stage is very important because it kind of serves as the foundation of the style. So you have to take your time and get it flat, like really flat. So before you continue with the back, you want to figure out where and how you want your parts to be. I chose this deep side part, so if you want to choose a middle part or probably no part at all, that's totally fine. I'm just sectioning this part of the hair and I'm going to continue with the back. So one trick to get your hair really flat is to work in sections and really brush the sections down with the Tangle teaser. For this part of my hair, I really didn't need to section off the hair, but I just wanted to get it very flat. So I sectioned the hair into two and then I worked in sections. You can see I've put one side away and then I'm working on one section, brushing it down really flat and then working on the next section. Okay, so for the sections on top, you want to now, like after you are done tying it down and everything, you want to apply the gel on it to make it really smooth and get all the flyaways down. So you're basically going to repeat the same steps on the rest of your hair. Okay, so while working, you have to make sure not to lose the parts that you've already done. So you can go back and then check to see if the part is still intact. If not, you go ahead and fix it. So this section is one of the most difficult sections to work with. So you really have to take your time, apply your leave-in conditioner, your gel, and really brush the hair down. When you're done sleeking your hair down, trust me, the difficult part is over. You just have to fix your bun. Now you can just play around with it a little bit till you get to how you really want it. You can add extensions if you want, but if not, you can just leave it as is, as I did. So I'm going ahead to take my got to be glued styling gel, and I'm using it to get any flyaways down. And I'm also using this to sleek my baby hairs down. Now this really gets the work done if Eco Styler doesn't work for you when you're trying to lay your baby hairs. So to lay your baby hair, I recommend you use a toothbrush, but then I didn't have an old toothbrush, so I used my hard bristle brush, which got the work done anyways. So this part is very optional. What I did was I just grabbed some strands of hair at the sides of my hair and I just defined it. So I'm basically using these hair clips to help get my hair very flat. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you learned from it, and I hope you'll be able to do it yourselves. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box down below, so please do check it out. Please don't forget to like, comment down below, read the description, subscribe, and yeah, bye.